Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a trip computer, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, heated steering wheel, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.